What's going on, guys? Nick here with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Got a 2013 Harley Davidson Softail Deluxe. Great looking bike. One of my favorite colors too, the big blue pearl. Nice metal flake. Really looks great out in the sun. It's got the baby blue and silver pinstripes. Got the 103-inch fuel-injected twin cam, 6-speed transmission. It's got a rider's backrest. It's got upgraded grips. It's got a small mark. Let's see here. Right there. See that? Small mark on the front fender. It's got a little dimple on the dash right there. Didn't see anything else, man. This clean bike. Maybe like a little nick in the paint right there. It's a good looking bike though. Great condition. Chrome's in good shape. It's got these added on lockable Viking bags, so you got some storage. And also it's got the luggage rack built into the passenger seat. Got the wire wheels, wide white wall tires, quick detachable windshield, nice and tall. This is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. Got a pretty much brand new tire on the front. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly. Gave it a professional detail. Bike runs and rides great, no issues. It's got the heel toe shifter. And not a whole lot of miles. 3,382. You got the little storage pouch behind the windshield there. Got your battery tender pigtail installed. Bags are in good shape. They look brand new. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 817-985-8888. You can also check out our website at texasbestusedmotorcycles.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with Texas Best Used Motorcycles in Mansfield, Texas. Thanks for watching.